Okay, so here is the full walkthrough of the grab and go kit. I got the lid off. So, oops. We go down here. There's what we've got inside. So the battery. There's the poles or the power blocks, coax, FTM 300, 891, and then there's the signal link. There's the ATU 100 tuner, and there's everything on the other side of the top panel. So originally I had this all printed black, but I found it quite hard to see anything in there. If I dropped a screw or anything, it was quite hard to see. So I changed it to white and just put a little bit of twist tie in there, a little bit of garbage in there, but there's a little identifier for it. And you look at the model number. I had to put that in there. So yeah. Okay, so we'll get the top all buttoned up and we'll go through the top and the top section, which is done, but I don't have it in for this part of the video. So that's the insides. Okay, here we go again with the reveal. It's finally finished. So let's open it up. I'm not going to go over too much because you guys saw it on the last video. So there's what I have on the top. Antenna connections, grab and go kit, undo all this stuff here, and we got Bear watching. Hey Bear, hey, what do you say? Gotta get Bear in there. Okay, so here we go. So as you guys have all seen, there is the bottom of it. Go through it all again. Battery switch, auxiliary internal, voltage, speakers for the 300, data for the 300, FTM 300, fan signaling for the FT891, key, headphones, data, FT891 head, ATU 100, antenna tuner, speakers, fuses, temperature for the radios, another fan, power for my laptop, USB, and then just external power, charging for the battery and external battery. So this is what I was working on. It's taking me so long to do. There's the top half of the kit. So we got all the USB cables and stuff that I need to run with the computer. Got the mic holders there. And of course, we got the band plan on here. So I went with 80 through 10 minus 30. I didn't put 30 in there. So it's just like the rack band plan. Printed it all out. These are separate. I noticed the glue on this one didn't quite stick though. I might have to pop that one out and re-glue it, but that'll be for another day. So again, the band plan, all the ink is, all the numbers are done in glow-in-the-dark ink. Whether how good that's going to work, I don't know, but it's there. And then I put the rack logo on the case as well, and there's the key for what everything is. I tried to match it up as close as I could to the actual rack band plan. And then push that down, open her up. There's my laptop. Sits in there nice and neat. And close her up. Nice tight fit so it doesn't come flying off while I'm carrying it. So yeah, so that's what took me so bloody long to do. So again, yeah, so all these colors, I only got one AMS, so I can only print 4 different colors at one time. So I couldn't print all this at one time, so I had to inlay it. But this I could print at the same time because it's just the 4 colors, the black, just 3 colors, sorry, black, no, 4 colors. Got the the fluorescent, white, red, and black. And then these I had to print separately and inlay them. So they're 2 millimeters or 1.9 millimeters thick. But yeah, that one's gonna have to come out. That's driving me nuts. So yeah, so that's everything. There's my USB sound card for the 300. And yeah, I've already been doing some FT8 with the 891, and seems to be going good. So yeah, that's it. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you need any changes or whatnot. I do have an alternate top for this. Everything around it's the same except the top is down here, and the spaces, the big space is up here, and this is just to hold a notepad and stuff, and it's honeycomb shaped with holes in it so you can see everything, and it's got a spot for a pencil on the side. So yeah, that's well, I might as well, let's turn it on. Nothing going on. I don't have any radios turned on. So yeah, there it is. And then this obviously won't turn on because it needs USB power from the computer. But yeah, so there it is. Fans work. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you like it. And if you're interested in one, hey, hit me up. You never know, might be able to print you a custom one as well. So, okay, take it easy. Good luck with the POTA. 7-3, everyone. So just real quick, here is the alternate top that I had. So, I mean, it's just wanted to show it to see. And this is press in too, so there's nothing, it's real easy just to pop a flathead screwdriver in there and pry this out and pop the whole thing out. So yeah, so little spot for the book, got the laminated band plans in there. These are spots for cables for the computer, but I didn't put them in because they are all sitting in this one still. So yeah, so that's another option for the top. Just wanted to show that. Okay, have a good one, everyone. 7-3.